God prophesied that he will send the Savior to the east in the last days. From the east I summon a bird of prey. From a far-off land, a man to fulfill my purpose. What I have said, that will I bring about. What I have planned, that will I do. A bird of prey in the east is a prophecy that the Savior appears as a man in an eastern country and fulfills the work of redemption, which is God's plan. However, slanderers deny the Bible, saying that the eagle that eats a carcass cannot be referred to as God. If we examine the Bible, we can find that God lets us know his character through various parables. The parables in the Bible refer to the characteristics of something for us to understand easily. So, it's irrational to try to find the holiness of God from an animal which is given as a parable. The Bible likens God to lion, or sometimes to lamb. Sometimes to the vine or temple. If it is impossible to liken God to an animal that eats a carcass, it is also impossible to liken God to the vine or the temple that cannot even move. Slanderers' insistence, we must not liken God to an eagle that eats a carcass, goes beyond all reason.